Hello, my name is Daniel Bruce, part of the Capstone 1 team, working on the Amylite research project here at Florida International University. This installation guide is optional, however it's very important we go over it because it involves an important project part of Amylite, which is a custom NApps called Pathfinder. This is a project that the Spring 2020 senior project team was working on, and I'm going to guide you on how to go about installing it on your Kaitos development environment. Before we begin, this assumes you have watched our main installation guide and actually installed your Kaitos development environment on your machine or virtual machine. And let's get started. So I'm going to go into my virtual environment directory, and I'm going to enter my virtual environment. Note that I do not have Kaitos running. If you are okay, that's wait, that's interesting. Oh, whoops. I don't know why I put a / there. Now, if you're continuing from our main installation guide, either stop the current Kaitos process or restart your computer. You don't want to have Kaitos running while you're installing Pathfinder. Or it may not install properly. So you don't want Kaitos running at all when you're installing Pathfinder. And that's not through the NApps install, but what we're essentially doing is cloning the Pathfinder repository on GitHub. So we're going to do git clone github.com/ktmi/pathfinder, which I already have it. For this, it's just going to clone it for you and create that directory. And you're just going to want to go into Pathfinder directory, and you want to do Python 3 setup.py develop. So the output is going to be much longer for you as it's installing Pathfinder. I already have Pathfinder installed. And then after Pathfinder is installed completely, you're going to want to start Kaitos. And then to verify Pathfinder was installed, you do Kaitos, after running Kaitos D, do Kaitos naps list. And as you can see, Pathfinder has been installed and is enabled. So if you go to your browser and go to the Kaitos SDN platform, just going to refresh this because it's using the cache version, you will see a new tab, which is the Pathfinder tab. Now you can go onto Kaitos's website, kaitos.io, and you can go ahead and go into their getting started documentation and kind of learn how to set up some topology like I've done here. This topology reflects their getting started guide, and you can mess with Pathfinder in whatever way you want, but that is how you install the NApps Pathfinder, which is a project that the Spring 2020 senior project team was developing on. Thank you for watching.